This tasty salad is a perfect side dish with steak, burgers, turkey, chicken, seafood and more. Easy to make. This cucumber caprese salad recipe is loaded with delicious, fresh vegetables. Wash and dry all the vegetables before making the salad. Ingredients. For salad dressing: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried basil. Ingredients for salad: cucumber, sliced, 1½ cups cherry tomatoes cut in half or leave whole, 1/2 cup of black or green olives sliced in half, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella sliced or pearled, 1/2 large red onion diced. Directions for salad dressing: in a small bowl mix together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, dried oregano, dried basil and a dash of salt and pepper, and set aside. Or use any salad dressing of your choice. Directions for salad: slice cucumber thin, or a size that you prefer. Add cucumbers to a medium-sized bowl. Slice cherry tomatoes or leave them whole, your choice. Add to the bowl with the cucumbers. Thinly slice and dice your red onion. If you do not like onion, feel free to omit from the recipe. Add to bowl with cucumbers and tomatoes. Slice mozzarella into bite-sized pieces. Add to bowl with cucumbers, tomatoes and red onion. Pour salad dressing of your choice over vegetables and cheese. Mix well and add a garnish of your choice. Then allow it to sit for 10 minutes before serving. Sit back and enjoy a fresh cucumber caprese salad today.